When your phone won't charge in the car, it's not just a bad cable. Sometimes the car's the problem. You plug your phone in, nothing happens. Or it charges for 10 seconds, then disconnects. Or it only charges if the cable is held at a weird angle. Most people immediately blame the cable. And honestly, that's a good first guess. But if you've tried more than one cable and the charging port still won't work, your car is telling you something. Either the port isn't getting power, the port is worn out, or the car is shutting it off on purpose to protect itself. Let's go through the real causes like a mechanic would, starting with the easy stuff and ending with the, okay, now we test stuff. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. First, clarify which charging port you mean. Cars usually have two different types of charging ports. One is a USB port used for charging and sometimes data, CarPlay or Android Auto. The other is a 12V socket, cigarette lighter style, that can power a charger. They fail for different reasons. A USB port can fail because of software, data mode conflicts, or low current output. A 12V socket usually fails from a blown fuse, melted socket, or a bad connection. So before anything else, notice which one is dead: USB, 12V, or both. The number one cause: the port is physically worn or dirty. USB ports live a hard life. They get bumped, yanked, stuffed with cheap cables, and filled with dust. Over time, the internal pins can loosen or the port can crack where it's mounted in the dash. That's why it works only when I wiggle it. The port may still have power, but the physical connection is unreliable. Dirt is also a silent killer. Pocket lint, grit, and sticky residue can prevent a solid connection. If the cable doesn't click in firmly, or it feels loose compared to other ports, you may have a worn port. Cause 2. The fuse is blown, especially for 12V sockets. A 12V socket is protected by a fuse, and it doesn't take much to blow it. A cheap charger, a coin, a metal ring, or a broken plug can short the socket instantly. Once the fuse pops, the socket becomes completely dead. The tricky part is that many cars have multiple 12V sockets with different fuses. The front socket might work while the rear one is dead, or vice versa. So if one port died suddenly and everything else is fine, suspect a fuse before you suspect the whole wiring harness. Cause 3. Not enough power output for modern fast charging. This is a big confusion point. Some factory USB ports are low power. They were designed when phones were smaller and charging needs were lower. Your phone might show charging, but it still loses battery while using maps, streaming music, and keeping the screen bright. Or it charges painfully slow and feels like the port is broken. In that case, the port isn't dead, it's weak. The fix is usually using a 12V socket charger with proper fast charge support rather than relying on the factory USB port. Cause 4. The USB port is in data mode and the car system is glitching. When you plug into a USB port, the car may try to read the phone for media, CarPlay, or Android Auto. If the infotainment system glitches, the port can behave oddly. Repeated connect and disconnect. USB device not recognized. Or charging that stops randomly. Sometimes the car is fighting the phone because the data handshake fails. A very real mechanic trick is to reboot the infotainment system or shut the car off completely, open and close the driver door, and restart. Some vehicles keep modules awake for a while, so you need a full sleep cycle to reset the USB behavior. Cause 5. The port is being shut off by the car to protect the battery. Many modern cars manage electrical power smarter than older cars. Some ports shut off after a timer, some shut off when the battery voltage drops, and some stay on only when the ignition is in ACC or on. That means you might think the port is broken, but the car is simply cutting power when it thinks it needs to. If the port works while driving, but not when the car is off, that can be normal design. If it used to stay on, and now it doesn't, the battery may be weak, or the car may have changed behavior due to a software update or battery health strategy. Cause 6. A bad ground or loose connector behind the dash. Behind the scenes, ports are connected by wiring and connectors. A loose connector, corrosion, or a weak ground can cause intermittent power. This often shows up as it works on bumps or it works when the cabin is hot or cold. Vibration changes the connection, so the port cuts in and out. This is more common after dash work, radio installation, or any repair where trim panels were removed. If your port stopped working right after someone worked in that area, suspect a connector that wasn't seated fully. Cause 7. The 12V socket is melted or the internal contact is bent. If a 12V socket was used with a cheap plug that overheated, the plastic can deform and the internal contact spring can lose tension. Then your charger plug won't make firm contact. You'll see symptoms like charging only when you push the plug in hard or rotate it. If you ever smelled hot plastic or saw a scorched plug, don't keep using that socket until it's inspected. Overheating can damage wiring and become a safety issue. How to diagnose it fast without guessing. Start with the simplest isolation tests. Try a different cable and a different device. If it's USB, try flipping the cable and using a short, high-quality cable. If it's 12V, try a different charger that you know works. Then test other ports in the car. If all ports are dead, think fuse or power supply. If only one is dead, think local fuse, worn port, or connector. If you have a multimeter or a USB power tester, you can confirm whether power is present. A dead port with 0 voltage points to fuse or wiring. A port with voltage but unstable output points to a failing port or poor connection. What fixes usually look like? A blown fuse is the easiest win. A worn USB port usually requires replacing the USB module, which is often a plug-and-play part behind the trim. A melted 12V socket may require replacing the socket assembly. Infotainment glitches may improve with a system reset or software update. And if the issue is weak charging, the best solution is a quality 12V fast charger rather than expecting a factory USB port to behave like a modern wall charger.